Welcome to the Quality Corner. I'm your host, Mark Kearney, the Senior Director of Quality and Regulatory Affairs here at Xometry. In today's episode, we will be covering a vital part of our workmanship standards, threads. Any internal or external threads for metal fabricated parts are subject to Xometry standards, as well as machined threads regardless of cutting method, i.e. cut, milled, or rolled. These standards ensure that threads are cut according to the provided drawing, are free of defects, damage, contamination, and are capable of accepting the go gauge and not accepting the no-go gauge more than 3 turns. Next, I will show you some examples that provide better understanding as to what is and is not acceptable when approving threads. In the first image, the thread has corroded and can potentially lead to decreased fastener strength, incorrect torque values, and overall quality appearance below standards. All threads should be adequately protected to prevent corrosion, rust, and excessive oxidation. In this next image, the thread is inappropriately contaminated with dirt, grease, and chips, which can lead to poor assembly, contamination of the hydraulic system, or improper torque values. This is also known as foreign object debris, or FOD. All threads should be properly cleaned before completion. Image 3 is a great example of cross-threading, which can lead to a poor assembly or not assembled at all. Contamination of the hydraulic system or improper torquing is also a valid point. The final image is an example of a rolled thread that has been improperly formed. Partially formed rolled threads can lead to a larger than specific minor diameter, lower thread strength, and could lead to misthreading the fastener. To avoid these common mistakes in the future, make sure to protect threads accordingly and clean them after completion of each job. And solutions to avoid cross-threading and not fully formed threads should be taken into account. Now let's cover some examples of acceptable workmanship standards. This image is a properly formed thread. It is cut to the correct size and specifications that have been identified in the drawing and are free of tears, cracks, foreign object debris, and any other notable damage or contamination. In image 2, the threads show minor nicks, dents, and scrapes. These imperfections are permissible and would not lead to a quality rejection unless the thread does not pass the go, no-go thread gauge inspection. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Threads. I am Mark Kearney, and this is the Quality Corner.